Usually, when you can't remember something, like how to spell a word on a spelling test, it's because you didn't learn it well enough. In order to show that you've learned something, you need to be able to remember it. The information you learn has to go into your brain and get stored so you can use it later. So learning and remembering go together. Now, there are lots of ways to learn something so that you can remember it. Let's think about this. I want you to raise your hand if you know what the letter B looks like. Okay, that's something that you learned and you all remember it. Is this what you thought it looked like? Okay, so your memory's fine. So why can you remember the letter B, but you can't remember how to spell a word on your spelling test? Well, the answer is because when you were learning about the letter B, you saw what it looked like. You practiced writing it and looking for it with other letters and words. You practiced what it sounded like when you said it, and you could hear it when others said it. You learned that the letter B looks different when it's lowercase or uppercase. So you really thought, even though you didn't know you were thinking, about what the letter B looked like. Plus, you were practicing and using the letter B all the time. You read it and you write it all the time. Using information that you've learned helps to strengthen the connections in your brain that store and help you retrieve or to get the information that you stored in your memory.